In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sennheiser HD450BT. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using your Sennheiser HD450BT can be primarily done through Bluetooth, so you will be able to connect it to any device that supports Bluetooth headphones. To do this, first, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on that device, so you will be able to go over to the Bluetooth settings on your PC, laptop, or any mobile device. Make sure that it is enabled, and now you need to put your headphones into pairing mode. To do this, make sure that they are sufficiently charged and powered on, and for the HD450BT, you simply have to press this specific button I've highlighted here. For other models of Sennheiser headphones, you will also be able to press a specific button. When you press and hold that button for a few seconds, the headphones will go into pairing mode. With the headphones in pairing mode, you will be able to choose them from the list of available devices when you go back on the Bluetooth screen. After you choose them, they will automatically pair themselves up with the device, and you should be able to listen to all of the audio being output on that device wirelessly through the HD450BTs. You can repeat this for any other device that supports Bluetooth audio, and you will be able to use the headphones in there. After you pair them once, they will automatically pair every single future time that you power them on. As long as they are in close proximity of the device, they will pick up and be used right away. If it doesn't work, I recommend restarting the device, making sure that they are sufficiently charged, and you can try unpairing and then pairing them back up again. As long as you choose them from the list of available devices and they are sufficiently charged, they will be used wirelessly for all of the audio. If there is a microphone in your specific headphones model, you will also be able to use it as well. You just have to connect the actual headphones over Bluetooth. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser HD450BT. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.